One of the craziest things about being a blockchain developer is there's so many different ways to make money with these skills. You can get a job, you can become a freelancer, but you can also do things like create trading bots that make money while you sleep. Imagine that. Well, in this video, I actually want to talk about the best crypto trading bot for 2023 and also into 2024 and beyond, and how you can create one yourself. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about the best crypto trading bot for 2023 into 2024 and probably every single year after that. So basically, 2023 has been a pretty wild and unpredictable year in crypto. There have been lots of volatility in the crypto markets this year. Nobody's quite sure if it's been a bull market or a bear market or a sideways market. And for that reason, traders are getting absolutely wrecked, including trading bots. Because most crypto trading bots are trying to figure out what the price is going to do next. They're trying to predict the future. And when they're wrong, they blow up and lose money. That's why so many people lose with crypto trading bots, especially right now. Now, sure, it's easy to create a crypto trading bot when everything's in a bull market because, hey, when it's a bull market, pretty much everybody makes money, even a stupid bot. But you can't really do that now in 2023. So what's a different strategy where you can make money with crypto trading bots year round, no matter if it's an up, down, sideways market? Well, it's a bot that can't lose any money and a bot that doesn't actually require any of your own money to trade. This can be an insanely profitable strategy. Blockchain developers made over $4.3 million in aggregate with this strategy just last month alone. And I taught this to one of my students recently who made $1,000 in their first weekend. Well, how is that possible? Well, I'm going to explain exactly how this bot works the rest of this video. But if you want to see how to create one and set it up step by step, make sure you hold your spot for the Trading Bot Masterclass this Thursday, October 12th. Inside, I'm going to show you how to create one step by step from start to finish so that you can jump on this opportunity. Make sure you hold your spot, the link down below. All right, so how could you create a trading bot that can't lose any money and doesn't require any money from you to trade? Well, let's start off with the it can't lose any money part of the equation. That's because this is an arbitrage-based crypto trading bot, okay? A lot of these crypto trading bots are trying to predict what the future cryptocurrency price is going to do, and when they guess wrong, boom, you're out of money, okay? But an arbitrage bot's different. It looks for opportunities in the marketplace that exist right now, and it only triggers if it thinks it can make money off that opportunity. So let me explain. Cryptocurrencies are insanely volatile, and for this reason, lots of different cryptocurrencies don't list the exact same price for cryptocurrencies on their exchange. You go to Binance, you go to Coinbase, you go to Kraken, you might see that Bitcoin selling for $30,000 on one exchange, $30,100 on a different exchange, $29,500. Right? Big differences. And because Bitcoin's going up and down all the time, these discrepancies exist. So you could theoretically buy Bitcoin on one exchange, say exchange A here on my screen, and sell it on a different exchange for a small profit, okay? So that's how arbitrage works. Now, you can do this with regular cryptocurrency exchanges, but they have a big problem. By the time you move the money from one exchange to another, the prices might move on you, and you could lose money this way, okay? So that's not what we want to do. So instead, we want to create an arbitrage-based trading bot that works on the blockchain. All right, so how do we use the blockchain instead, and how does it give us a benefit? Okay, so instead of buying things like Bitcoin on centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, for example, instead we're going to use decentralized exchanges on the blockchain. So things like Uniswap, which is the most popular one, SushiSwap, which is pretty popular too. You can see all the different types of DEXs here listed on a website like DeFi Llama. So how does this give us a benefit? Well, these DEXs live on the blockchain. They're powered by smart contracts. So what it means is you can hook into these DEXs in real time and you can execute trades, and you don't have to worry about whether the price is going to move on you, because when you are processing a transaction on the blockchain, you're the star of the show. Nobody else can do anything until your transaction goes through. And so if you find an arbitrage opportunity, you can basically capitalize on it, and there's no risk that the price could move, and you can't lose money that way. That's the key. You have a bot that can't lose money. And so if that's how you create a bot that can't lose money, then how can you create a bot that doesn't require any of your own money to trade? Okay. So in this situation where I was talking about, buying cryptocurrency on one exchange and selling it on another, that's what arbitrage is. And then you can hook into those smart contracts in the blockchain so you can do it instantly. Well, theoretically, you'd still need to have cryptocurrency. You have to buy it for arbitrage purposes, and then you can sell it on a different exchange. But what if you could borrow the money? All right, what if you didn't actually have to have the money? And what if you could borrow the money with no collateral and putting money down? You could do it for free. Okay, well, that's exactly what you can do with something called a flash loan. Okay, so what the heck is a flash loan? Well, it's a technique where you can borrow millions of dollars in cryptocurrency on the blockchain, okay, with zero money down for free, as long as you pay it back in the same transaction. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, basically, blockchain supports simple transactions and complex transactions. So, like if I send cryptocurrency to you, that's a simple transaction with one set of instructions. But I could do a complex transaction that's like, hey, borrow cryptocurrency, trade it here, trade it there, pay it back, and then boom, that's a single transaction. So that's what a flash loan is. As long as you borrow the money and return everything back, it doesn't matter what you do from the time that you borrow it and you pay it back, as long as you do it instantly, okay? And so that's how you can basically borrow money to do an arbitrage trade and pay it back, and then boom, you have a bot that can't lose money and doesn't require any money from you in order to trade. And so, what do you need to pull off this bot? Like, how would this actually work? Well, the good news for you is that I basically have done all this for you, which I'm just going to show you as of that masterclass this Thursday. So again, if you want to get all this done for you, then make sure you hold your spot, link down below. But basically, the architecture looks like this. In order to buy and sell on decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, again, things like Uniswap and SushiSwap are powered by smart contracts. They live on the blockchain. So you need to create a smart contract, which I've already done, that hooks into these two different exchanges, okay? It knows how to take out flash loans, so it can borrow the money automatically, all right? Those are the smart contracts, and then it can buy on this exchange, sell on that other exchange, and pay them back, because that's how you do complex transactions. You can only do them as a developer because you can't get in a crypto wallet and program multiple steps. You have to code a contract that executes those steps, and that's exactly what this does, okay? So that's all the part that lives on the blockchain. It facilitates borrowing, buying, selling, paying back, and then sending you those sweet, sweet profits, all right? Now, on the other side of the equation, off the blockchain, that's where the actual bot lives, okay? Everything I talked about a second ago is a smart contract-based program on the blockchain. It's not autonomous in the sense of it's not going to watch out for arbitrage opportunities. It's simply going to do what it's told, which is borrow money, buy and sell. Okay, that's what the contract does, and send you money. And the bot is actually a program that runs off the blockchain, and it scans the different decentralized exchanges and waits for them to essentially fall out of sync to spot those arbitrage opportunities, and it calculates, whether they're profitable or not with the gas fees, all right? And then it actually executes on the contract. It calls it and then causes the flash loan and the arbitrage to take place, books the profits, sends them to you, and that's the entire process that happens off the blockchain. And so that's an overview of how the best crypto trading bot for 2023 works into 2024 and probably every single year ever after that, because it's a bot that can't lose any money. Whether crypto goes up, down, sideways, doesn't really matter. As long as crypto is trading out there, arbitrage opportunities are going to exist, and this bot will work. And better yet, you don't even have to have any money in order to trade with this strategy. So if you want to see A to Z how this works and get this entire strategy done for you, and so you can see how to customize it to create your own strategies going forward. Again, this is the same type of thing that I talked to one of my students recently. They made $1,000 in their first month. Make sure you hold your spot, link down below today before it's too late. So that's all I've got. As always, smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. That really helps these videos out so more people can learn about blockchain. And until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.